Blending foam and a couple of brushes can get the work done. Let's go. When I started my makeup journey back in 2019, I had very little resources, just my blending foam with a couple of brushes, but that did not stop me from wanting to learn makeup. I literally had to make use of the resources I had, the little resources I had, and in this video I'll be showing you how I'm able to do this simple makeup with just a couple of brushes I had. From the application of your foundation up until the concealing part, you can actually make use of your blending foam. It's easier that way, especially if you don't have like enough material or enough resources. So instead of trying to look for where you want to get another brush to be able to do that, you can just make use of your blending foam. And for the setting part, when you want to set your face, you can actually make use of your powder puff. It is easier that way, as you can see me doing. Then I took a brush and I decided to remove the excesses of the setting powder, and this particular brush I'm still going to use it for contour. Just keep watching. I call this particular brush the multi-purpose brush, and I'm going to show you why after I finish concealing my eyebrows. I was still able to carve my brows, but you know, as a pro, we have our ways. You can always conceal it even with the full bushy brows. Back to our contour brush, I also used it to apply blush, and applying blush is one of my favorite things to do while putting on makeup. And we're back to our multi-purpose brush. Like I said, it is multi-purpose for this reason. After using it for contour, I can also use it for what? To apply eyeshadow. By the way, this makeup was done hurriedly because I had some work to do at the wedding I attended, and I'll be posting a vlog about the wedding really soon, so don't forget to turn on post notification. Also, for the lip part, I got quite confused. I was wondering if I should make use of my lipstick or I should make use of my eyeshadow palette, and I ended up using my eyeshadow palette, and so the quick one. I did not apply lashes because I forgot my lashes back in Lagos. So now, can you count how many brushes I've made use of? Hey, arrow, who applies setting spray without covering their eyes? Anyways, the look came out really nice, and this is me, a wedding guest on my way to the wedding. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye.